Year 2023, this is the best year para maging mayaman in cryptocurrency. That's why in this video, I'm so excited because I'm gonna share with you how we can get rich in cryptocurrency this 2023. Let's go! So if you've invested in Bitcoin dito sa peak last 2021, so ito yung peak around 60,000 US dollar or around 3 million per one Bitcoin. So ngayon, if you invested dito sa peak, ngayon, you lost around negative 75%. Negative 75% yung down yung value ng Bitcoin mo or yung investment mo in Bitcoin. However, I believe na this year 2023, this is actually the best year to invest in cryptocurrency and how we can maximize or how we can maximize talaga or take advantages of this opportunity to earn good money in cryptocurrency. So yeah, let me share with you how. However, very important before we start, very important disclaimer, nothing in this video is financial advice. So especially investing in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, may mga risk yan. Posibleng mawala yung pera mo. In fact, I just showed you kanina na if you invested in the wrong time, pwedeng mag-negative 70% ka, negative 80%, or worse talaga, ma-zero yung investment mo. Kaya, before you invest, make sure you learn, make sure you do your own research. So ngayon, that's out of the way. Let's get started. How you can get rich with cryptocurrency this year, 2023. So ganito, in terms of investments, meron kasing tinatawag na 4 market phases. So the first phase is itong accumulation phase. Next phase is the uptrend phase. Next is the distribution phase. And lastly is the downtrend or the markdown phase. So basically, yung pinakita ko kanina sa Bitcoin, yung nasa tuktok na, tapos ngayon pa down. So nandito na yun eh. This is the downtrend. After the downtrend, babalik yan dito sa accumulation phase. So I believe year 2022, yan yung downtrend. Ngayon, 2023, 2024, I believe this will be now in the accumulation phase. So, this is the phase kung saan very minimal ano tawag nito, very minimal yung mga engagement in certain investment or asset. Tapos, this is where people are actually slowly investing or accumulating. Kasi once babalik ito sa mainstream media or it will get attention again, tataas dito na yung uptrend, and then dito ito na yung peak kung saan most people are gonna be selling their investments. So if you're into Bitcoin, you believe in the technology, then this is actually the very good time to accumulate more cryptocurrency. Kasi what I love about cryptocurrency kasi or Bitcoin, very predictable siya. What do I mean by that? Kasi in Bitcoin kasi meron tinatawag na Bitcoin halving. Okay? Bitcoin halving. So ano ba to? Basically, ito yung event wherein the reward for mining Bitcoin transaction is cut into half. So dati kasi every time you mine Bitcoin, so medyo technical na to and I won't go deeper into this one, but basically meron mga miners, Bitcoin miners na they're the ones who's mining Bitcoin. Sila parang nagmamine ka ng gold. So like you go to caves, you go to mga tunnels, magmamine ka ng gold, actual physical gold. In Bitcoin naman, meron mga machines kung saan they're gonna do mga very complicated math calculations, and kung sino yung makakasolve sa mga calculations na yon, they'll be able to receive Bitcoin in reward. So parang nagmamine sila ng Bitcoin. And so far, meron kasing Bitcoin kasi is like this is encoded kung saan every 4 years magha-half yung rewards na ma-receive ng mga miners. So makikita mo dito na last 2009, ito yung value of this is the amount of Bitcoin that they can receive. 2012 nag-half siya, 25 from 50 Bitcoins, 25 Bitcoin na lang. 2016 na half na naman, 2020 na half na naman. Tapos upcoming year 2024, maha-half na naman yung value. So what does this mean? So simple supply and demand. Kapag yung supply maliit tapos yung demand is still there, then the price of a certain asset mag-increase. Again, kasi naka-half yung rewards, di ba? So yung supply ng Bitcoin in circulation mas lesser na. Tapos maintain yung demand, then possible na mag-increase yung value ni Bitcoin. Kaya this is a very predictable way of knowing kung when's the time na mag-increase yung value ni Bitcoin. Ngayon, let's look at historical data. So, basically, maraming mga analysts, mga chartists, nakikita nila yung pattern with Bitcoin and it's very, very predictable. But then again, past performance na define future results. Posible na ito yung performance in the past, tapos in the future, baka hindi na. However, based dito sa performance, makikita mo na every 3.5 years, makikita mo na ito yung time kung saan magandang pumasok, investing in Bitcoin. So as you can see dito, this is like nag-increase siya, tapos nag-down, tapos parang accumulation, and then nag-increase, tapos nag-down. So parang accumulation dito, increase, down, tapos increase, and then down. And right now, nandito tayo ngayon. Nandito tayo ngayon kung saan this is the best time to accumulate more. Tapos, pinakita din dito na yung the usual bear market or bull market cycle in Bitcoin. So, bull market basically pataas yung value, tapos yung bear market naman, yung pababa yung value. So far, sabi dito, based on historical data, bear market lasts 1 year and bull market runs last 3 years. And so far, 2022, start of 2022, parang yan talaga yung bear market talaga. So, when you consider 1 year after that one, this is now the time na hopefully na magbo-bull market na naman. So, as you can see dito, again, up, tapos dito parang bear market, tapos dito accumulation phase, up, tapos bear market, it went down, accumulation phase, went up, down, and accumulation phase. So again, this is just based on historical data. So um, let's see magkano ba yung mga potential na kinita for those who invested in the market cycle, like from accumulation phase tapos dun sa bull phase. So let's see dito. So balik tayo sa chart ni Bitcoin and then let's view full chart. So ngayon we're here in the Bitcoin chart. Now let's see magkano yung potential if we invested at the right time. If we invested in the accumulation phase, magkano yung potential na kikitain natin, kinita natin if we invested at the right time. So as we can see dito, yung Bitcoin halving is 2009, but I believe wala tayong data nito kasi it's very past na and most people did not track it na. Tapos, we can have data on 2012, 2016, 2020, tapos 2024, wala pa tayong data kasi upcoming pa to. But yeah, let's see yung potential returns if we invested in the right time, if we invest in the accumulation phase. So usually yung accumulation phase, parang ganito nangyayari. Yung Bitcoin halving is like 2012, 16, 20. So yung peak usually is a year after. Tapos yung accumulation is the year before. So for 2020, yung accumulation niya is 2019. Yung peak niya is 2021. So dito yung peak November 2021 or actually parang nag-double peak ito April 2021. Ito yung peak 2021. Yung halving event was 2020. So around dito yung Bitcoin halving. So the best accumulation years is dito 2019. 2019. So, very down talaga dito. So, let's say for example, we invested dito 2019. This is the accumulation phase. So, makikita mo na accumulation, di ba? Like, walang masyadong galawan. Tapos, let's say we are able to go here. This is 500%. 500%. So, that's like times 5 of your investments. So, ganun kalaki yung potential if we invested at the right time. Now, let's look at yung previous naman. So, 2020, so 2016. 2016. So, 2016. So, yung 2016 yung halving, yung peak is 2017. Yung accumulation is 2000, 2016, 2015 yung accumulation. So, makikita natin dito, 2017 to. December 2017, ito yung peak. So, yung halving was around 2016 dito, and the accumulation is ito, 2015. So, if we invested dito, 2015, and it went to the peak on 2017, that's 6,752%. Bam! Mind-blowing. Ang laki niyan. 6,000%. I don't know what to say. Ang laki niyan. So, sobrang ganda for those people who really invested at the right time. Tapos, balikan natin yung 2016, 2012. 2012. So, kapag 2012 yung halving, so 2013 yung yung peak. 2011 naman yung accumulation. So makikita natin dito, 2012, this is 2013. Diba? This is 2013. 2012 dito yung halving, 2011 dito yung accumulation. So makikita mo accumulation, 'di ba? Walang medyong galawan. So when you look at that, that's a crazy 11,000%. 11,000%. So makikita mo na yung early parts, yung mga nag-invest talaga early, ang sobrang laki. But when you look at yung 2012, 2021, so parang 500% lang yung growth niya. So I believe on 2024 yung halving. So 2023 is the accumulation. 2025 naman is yung peak. But as you can notice dito, like yung percentage is sobrang laki from 2012, 2016, tapos on 2020 parang nag-reduce yung percentages na growth. So I believe for 2024 naman to 2025, I believe hindi na ganong kalaki. So if dito parang times 5, baka yung next potential is just times 2 or times 3. But that is for Bitcoin. However, if you invested in other cryptocurrency, yung mga altcoins, then mas malaki yung potential na kikitain. But then again, not financial advice, but ito lang yung potential na kikitain if you invest at the right time during the accumulation phase. So those are the 4 market phases, and I believe this 2023, this is the accumulation phase. So this is the best time to really accumulate cryptocurrency. But however, no one can really predict the future. So right now, I may be confident na nandito tayo sa accumulation phase and papunta na tayo dun sa exciting part. But again, nobody can predict the future. That's why if you're gonna invest in cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own research and dapat alam mo talaga what you're investing in. And it's a money that once you invest it, you're okay to win and you're okay na in case mawala yung pera. So you're okay na if you lose those money. So I hope you find this video valuable and helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, tapos consider subscribing if you haven't already. And if you want to experience yung Lodi lifestyle, then visit my website freedomlabph.com. Again, that's freedomlabph.com. I hope to see you inside. Once again, Tiyo, Pilo, and yung goal natin is to experience living on dividends and interest. Bye-bye!